Everyone wants to look wealthy. The shiny car in the driveway, the luxury watch, the vacation selfies from expensive resorts. But here's the reality check. Most of the people showing off are juggling credit card debt and sleepless nights. Meanwhile, the truly wealthy? They're wearing basic clothes, driving reliable cars, eating homemade meals, and secretly watching their portfolios grow with stocks, dividend-paying ETFs, bonds, and rental properties. This isn't about hiding success. It's about quietly building unstoppable financial security. Today, we're unlocking stealth wealth strategies that can change your financial life forever. And at the end, I'm going to give you a powerful conclusion, which actually make you understand the stealth wealth concepts clearly. If you're serious about building wealth and breaking free from money problems, hit that subscribe button. We've got powerful content lined up to fuel your journey. Let's dive in. Number 1. Dress low-key, bank high-key. Here's the trap. You see someone with a $2,000 designer handbag and think they must be loaded. In truth, they might just be loaded with debt. Stealth wealth means rejecting the urge to turn your wardrobe into a billboard. Wealthy people often stick to neutral clothing, plain t-shirts, solid colored sneakers, or even the same outfit rotation. Not because they can't afford Gucci or Louis Vuitton, but because they'd rather redirect that money into assets that actually grow. Imagine this. Instead of dropping $500 on 3 pairs of limited edition sneakers, you invest the same amount into an S&P 500 index fund. Historically, that fund has averaged about 10% annual returns. Leave it untouched, and in 20 years, that single purchase could grow into over $10,000 without you lifting a finger. Quiet wealth understands that clothes fade, but compound interest doesn't. And the best part? Dressing low-key confuses people. They underestimate you, and you get to quietly play the long game while they spend their energy trying to look rich. Number 2. Learn to say no to lifestyle inflation. Here's a common story. Maya, a young engineer, got her first big salary bump. Overnight, she went from a $45,000 job to $70,000. Did she invest the difference? Nope. She moved into a bigger apartment, upgraded her car with a monthly lease, and started dining out 4 nights a week. 2 years later, she was still broke, just with fancier furniture. That's lifestyle inflation, the silent thief of wealth. Every time your income rises, your brain whispers, you deserve it. And while you do deserve rewards, you don't deserve to sabotage your financial future. Stealth wealthy individuals cap their expenses and let their income gap widen. That extra $1,000 a month doesn't go toward a luxury car. It goes into mutual funds, dividend stocks, or even a rental property down payment. Now, once you've stopped lifestyle inflation, the next step is even smarter. Creating automated systems so your wealth builds itself without you overthinking. Number 3. Build systems, not excuses. Most people don't fail at wealth building because they're lazy. They fail because they rely on motivation instead of systems. Motivation fades. Systems stick. The stealth rich don't wake up every morning and ask, "Should I invest today?" They build systems that make the decision automatic. The beauty of systems is they bypass human weakness. You'll always find an excuse not to invest if it's manual. The market looks shaky, or I'll start after this vacation. But automation removes the choice. The stealth wealthy know that discipline beats impulse, and systems beat discipline. And here's the part nobody tells you. While others are talking about their flashy investments in risky IPOs or chasing meme stocks, your boring little system will quietly outperform 90% of them. Which brings us to the next lesson in stealth wealth. The power of silence when it comes to your financial moves. Number 4. Keep your mouth shut about money. Here's something funny. The loudest person in the room bragging about money is usually the one with the least of it. The stealth wealthy take the opposite approach. They stay silent. They don't talk about their stock market wins. They don't announce their early IPO allocation. And they certainly don't tell friends about the rental property that just started spitting out $600 a month in cash flow. Why? Because bragging invites problems, jealousy, unsolicited advice, and sometimes even scams. If you go around announcing that your portfolio doubled thanks to stocks, don't be surprised if investment experts suddenly crawl out of nowhere offering to help you grow it faster. Silence is protection. Silence lets your money grow without being interrupted by drama. Take this real-world habit. Some of the wealthiest families in America live in neighborhoods where you wouldn't expect them. They avoid flaunting cars, jewelry, or watches because attention is expensive. Attention brings obligations. The stealth wealthy don't want people asking for loans, donations, or investment opportunities. They want peace. Number 5. Live like an average Joe. Invest like a billionaire. Let's talk about contrast. Picture two neighbors. One drives a shiny luxury car on a $700 monthly lease, has a fridge stocked with imported wine, and vacations in Europe every summer. The other drives a 10-year-old Toyota, grills in his backyard, and takes road trips instead of flights. Guess who actually owns more? Often it's the second guy. The stealth wealthy don't live above their means. They don't need to. Instead, they funnel every spare dollar into assets. That Toyota driver might secretly own 3 rental properties, a stack of dividend stocks, and a growing position in mutual funds. His net worth is quietly climbing while the flashy neighbor is one missed paycheck away from repossession. Blending in gives you an advantage. No one suspects you're wealthy. No one pressures you to keep up. You can quietly accumulate wealth without being dragged into the competition game. But living modestly is only part of the stealth formula. The next secret is even smarter, building streams of income that nobody else can see. Number 6. Master the art of invisible income. Imagine getting paid while you sleep. No alarms, no commute, no boss breathing down your neck, just money sliding into your account while you make breakfast. That's invisible income, and it's the crown jewel of stealth wealth. Here's an example. Let's say you own $50,000 worth of dividend stocks paying 4% annually. That's $2,000 a year, or $166 a month, in passive income. Add a small real estate property bringing in $400 net profit, and suddenly, you've got $566 in invisible cash flow every month. That's enough to cover groceries without lifting a finger. Most people ignore invisible income because it doesn't feel glamorous. They'd rather chase risky trades or splurge on things people can see. But stealth wealth isn't about showing off, it's about control. And nothing gives you control like waking up every month knowing your bills are already covered. Now, invisible income sounds great, but there's one catch. It requires patience and discipline, which is exactly where the next strategy comes in, delaying ego-driven purchases today to speed up financial freedom tomorrow. Number 7. Delay the ego, speed up the freedom. Here's a hard truth. Most people aren't broke because of low income. They're broke because of ego. The desire to prove success kills more financial futures than bad investments ever could. Every time you buy the newest phone, the luxury car upgrade, or that overpriced designer jacket, you're essentially trading years of future freedom for a few moments of applause. The stealth wealthy think differently. They understand that money can buy 2 things, status now or freedom later, and they always choose freedom. I once heard a wealthy entrepreneur joke, "Every flashy purchase delays my retirement by a week." And he wasn't wrong. Ego costs time. Time is the one thing you can't buy back. Stealth wealth people delay ego, and in return, they speed up financial freedom. And here's the kicker. When you stop chasing validation, you start building independence. The ego-driven spenders stay stuck in the cycle of working to fund their image. The quiet investor buys back time, which brings us to the next move, choosing timeless assets over temporary hype. Number 8. Don't chase trends, own timeless assets. Everyone loves shiny objects. Last year it was meme stocks, before that crypto, and before that, some can't-miss penny stocks. The problem? Most of those hype-driven plays crash harder than they rise. The stealth wealthy don't waste energy chasing trends. They park money in timeless, wealth-building assets that grow consistently. What are timeless assets? Think blue-chip stocks like Apple shares, diversified index funds such as the S&P 500, bonds, real estate, and even rental properties. These aren't exciting to brag about at dinner parties, but they have one thing hype assets don't: stability. The stealth wealthy know wealth isn't about exciting swings. It's about compounding. They avoid the casino effect and stick to boring assets that quietly multiply over decades. And the irony, that boring consistency builds far more net worth than chasing the next big thing. At the end of the day, stealth wealth isn't about denying yourself joy. It's about choosing freedom over noise. You don't need a lottery win, an inheritance, or a hedge fund invitation to build lasting wealth. You need discipline. You need patience. You need boring systems that work whether you're in America, Asia, or anywhere else in the world. The stealth wealthy know wealth isn't a sprint. It's a marathon. They let their money grow in the background while they focus on living life on their terms. The real flex isn't a new car. It's opening your investment account and seeing years of growth. The real luxury isn't designer clothes. It's having the freedom to walk away from any job, any boss, any stress, because your portfolio's passive income and cash flow already cover your needs. I believe knowledge is the foundation of success. If this video helped you, like it, share it with someone who could benefit, and subscribe for more insights. Now, if you want to know why salary alone will never make you rich, then watch this video. I'll see you there.